Alright guys, make sure you stay tuned to the very end of this video where I'm going to be showing you how I'm getting some of these cool shots using the grip Gear Dolly, and I'm going to be using it to show you how I'm getting some of these shots. I just repeated it myself like 2 times. Yo, what up guys, me Patrick LeVar back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to be quickly just talking about here the Feiyu Tech Gimbal, WG2 Gimbal, whoopsie, but fantastic little gimbal here, little body gimbal, you know, or not necessarily body, you can mount it to pretty much almost anything. But for me, I mounted it onto my body. I have a harness that I purchased off of Amazon that was like 10 bucks, threw that on there, put this on the bottom here, this little hooks, and then it hooks into the harness. I don't own a GoPro, so I do own my Muse. So I have it connected to this, which it holds it perfectly fine, and I had no issues running it with this. This is one feature that I was so happy about. You just take it and you hold it for 1 second and it locks in the position. Fantastic, so I can easily adjust while I'm on the go. Look at that. Let's take a look at that. Fantastic. Oh, I need a little bit more down. Oh, that's great, that's perfect, good. You know, so this gimbal is waterproof. Now, although my action cam, the way it's sitting now, is not waterproof, I did not test it in the water, but I believe them. I don't really do any type of water activities, so that's not a big issue. But if it is a light rain, I can feel that, you know, I don't have to worry about turning the gimbal off or anything like that. Battery life has, you know, I got on a full charge. It probably took me about 3 days before I charged it again. And minus that, because I did leave it on one day, I left it on for like almost 2 hours or something, so it was just sitting there idling. That probably killed the battery a little bit quicker than it should have. So I think with the battery so far, I didn't have any battery issues. It is fairly solid. I mean, this thing feels solid, guys. Like, you know, it feels like a good piece of equipment here. Some type of aluminium steel on here or something. It's not really too plasticky. This little thing here is plastic, but that locks it. You know, I can basically lock it and slide. It's adjustable. You know, it does fit some of the GoPros. Again, I don't own a GoPro, so I don't know much about the GoPros. But, you know, this is my first gimbal that I've used, a body gimbal like this. It's pretty cool. I'm really enjoying it. You know, I'm gonna show you guys some footage while I'm doing this video of me using it. I've already showed it in a couple of vlogs. It really works out great for me when I'm on the bicycle, and it gets a really cool perspective that, you know, I can't achieve because I have to have both hands on the wheel, on the bicycle. So this gets me hands-free. One other thing that I'm quite enjoying, which I kind of wished I had a better camera, you know, I wish I had like a GoPro, but I actually snapped off a couple photos by accident, and I was like, whoa, that looks very cool. So the next time I go out to the city or something, you know what, I'm actually gonna try to mount this, not necessarily riding my bike, but just walking. Now, when you are walking, depending on where you have it placed on your body, you might get this little type of motion. I noticed for me, if I pull it pretty much down by almost in between my rib cage and my stomach, and I have an additional strap that Velcro strap that I have, and I pull it tight, it kind of eliminates that kind of bothering up and down. So that kind of helps it, you know, get rid of that, you know, up and down shakiness. But other than that, guys, this thing is fantastic. I don't really have any negative things to say about it at the moment. I'm going to continue to use it. I've only been using it for about 2 weeks. So, you know, I will throw it in the vlogs and stuff when I'm riding on the bike. And if I go out somewhere else and I have the opportunity to use it more like in a hiking situation, I'm definitely going to try that. So I hope you guys enjoy some of the footage here that I shot with this. Again, the Feiyu Tech WG2, let me see if I'm saying that right, WG2 Gimbal. It is IP67 waterproof, and if you guys want to get in all that jibba jabba, definitely check out their website. I'll throw the link down in the description, and I also will throw the Amazon link down there too, because you know, the prices vary. You got to search around and you can probably find a good price on this. On their website, it is running at $199. I have seen it on some other sites for $189, so, and I've also seen it on some other sites for $320. So beware, do some shopping around if you guys are interested. Again, I'll drop the link down in the description, and also their website. Check them out. They also make all kinds of gimbals. They make some gimbals for your phones, gimbals for your cameras. I didn't want to do a review on those because I have plenty of gimbals, but I don't have one like this, so this was something that I wanted to try, and I hope that you guys might enjoy some of the footage that I'm going to shoot with this. And yeah, enough of my jibber jabber. Quick review, Patrick LeVar style, 1 minute with me. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Keep filming. Peace. All right, guys, so check it out here. I got my grip Gear Dolly and the table set up here. Got my Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge on top. And then I got my gimbal here sitting off under the table here. Now this is one thing I use. Ooh, I've been recording the whole time. That sucks. But anyways, we'll do it again. Let me stop that. Hit record. Great way to get some product, nice silky smooth dolly moves with the product. I have it set on here on 7 and just let it just kind of roll on through. Nice and silky smooth, baby. That's what we're talking about. Very, very, just gives your video, you know, that professional looking edge, you know, with the simple, very simple using this dolly here. Also, sometimes I like to put it into the side here and get these wheels kind of arced. Okay, and now here, let me back it up to my focus is in line, kind of set it off to here, and then also just to get a different type of perspective, just kind of rolling through like that. I also like to make it go back in the reverse. Just, you know, more takes is better. It gives you options, gives you a lot more options. Fantastic there, look at that, nice and silky smooth. And I'll also do one other one where I'll set up, let me stop this recording, where I'll have it coming straight, maybe possibly straight at it. You know, like coming in on the logo, have the logo a little bit blurred out like it is right now. And then let's hit record and then just have it pull away. Very nice, clean, clean, clean. Alrighty guys, thanks for staying around to the end. Grip Gear, take a look at this. Links in the description. Patrick LeVar, bye bye.